This is the SPT dishwasher. It's called the SD-2201W. I had to take all of these minor screws out right here, up all the way around that. I had to take one screw underneath here, 3 or 4 screws from back here. I think they were all in this general area for the door. What I have disconnected so far has been this area, this pump, these for the door. They go up underneath the roller, so all you just have to do is just, they'll go like that. They come right off. The motor, what I'm having with this is I'm having grinding issues. They're not horrendously bad, but they're definitely there. It does have a grinding noise. Sometimes it's a squealing noise, which I have contacted SPT and they said that it is the motor, which the motor on these are completely underneath of it. This is what it looks like inside. This just clips in. You just push on the clips, it clips right here. So, you see what I'm talking about. It's just a little push tab. You just push on it, pull it out. I know I have to disassemble more of this. I'm going to make a part 2 of this. I also disconnected this one. I am going to make a part 2 to this. Simply because this is going to take me about a day, 2 days maybe, to disassemble this entire thing. Trying to pull it apart slowly to get to that motor without tearing everything apart. I will make a part 2 to this as I continue. But this, as for this right now, this is what everything looks like. Oh, and I also pulled out these screws right here. Sorry for that misinformation. I know I'm going to probably have to pull out some of these things, trying to figure out how to get this off so I can lift it up. So, but yeah, people's like, well, if people say, well, why didn't you just buy another dishwasher? Well, I don't feel like spending $200 on a dishwasher, and this thing's out of warranty, so I'd rather just pay a $25 for the motor, $25 for the motor. I think these things are only like 14 bucks. I mean, if I can save money, I am, because everything in life is a learning experience. You know, I'm learning with you guys because I never took one of these apart. And where I screw up, you all can fix. Everybody has to screw up in life at least once or twice. Some of us more than the most of us. More than common of us, so. But as long as I can get this thing going and get that motor in, which is right freaking there, everything will be alright. Goals in life. Alright guys, well, talk to y'all later.